Hey, it's Sammy. On October 29th, we took 6 trades. We had 2 break-evens and 4 winners for 156 points trading futures on the Dow YM. Let's take a look at the charts and see what happened. This was our first trade at the open. You can see we have a ton of data and we did jam down. We were up well over 30 points. We were kind of aiming to go down and test that 0 Fibonacci, which was yesterday's low. Now we probably should have locked in when we were hitting this orange line. That's our second deviation line. 95% of the volume's traded within, but we always protect these trades. Look how fast our break even got hit. And that's okay. We're quick enough to see our data flip over because we are at 4 hour, 1 hour and 15 minute support down here, plus S1, this green horizontal line, and our take profit zone. So we know we are reversing quickly out of this zone to go long. Another reason we knew that was in our group, we did our analysis about 10 minutes to 9 and we called a long coming out of this zone with our signature soda reversal process. That's what this giant candle is. Of course, we got the trade protected with our stop loss up into profit. And we're going to shut this down with 46 points. Now all of our data is lining back up once more to go through the sell side. We're going to go ahead and enter this, and of course we're going to protect this trade. Once again, we had well over 30 points in this trade as we were going down, testing that zone again. That's that 4 hour, 1 hour and 15 minute confluence of support. Proved to be too much, so it took out our break even plus 2 point stop loss. Now, if you look to the left, you can see that giant candle over there. That was that first pump that we were in earlier. Now we're going to go ahead and re-enter and go long from here. Our target is that VWAP line. That's that pink line right there. So value weighted average price. And we got 43 points out of this move. You can see that trade pulled back and retested VWAP one more time after it pushed through. Now we're going to go ahead and enter. We're going through this aqua colored band right here. That is the first deviation, so we're breaking 68%. And we're going to head up to our take profit is set at yesterday's club. Of course, we got that trade protected with our stop loss moved up to entry plus 2. And we've shifted all the data from going short. Now we have 3 time frames going long, the 15 minute down to the minute with momentum sentiment and a 5 minute volatility break, quickly hitting our 40 point take profit. Now we're running a signature soda reversal trade where we're going to just go down and test out the 200 and the VWAP line down there. Of course, we have this trade protected and have our stop loss moved up to plus 2 points. We're going to lock in 27 points right here because we are hitting the pivot line and VPOC. And there you can see we're just working with that short time frame data. It was very strong and it punched and hit that zone anyway.